The standing lean-in cable lateral raise is a fantastic shoulder exercise that targets the side delts. Leaning against the cable column changes the resistance curve by increasing tension on your side delts when they're in their most stretched position. Here's how to do it correctly. Attach a D-handle grip, then set the cable at hand height. Whenever your arm and the cable form a 90-degree angle, it creates the highest tension when you're in the most stretched position. This cable height position also provides smooth and consistent tension throughout the full range of motion. Stand to the side of the cable machine with the cable positioned to the opposite side to the arm you plan to work. Use your working hand to reach across your body to grab the D handle while placing your free hand on the cable column. Step your feet away from the cable machine, then lean your body slightly in towards the cable column to modify the resistance curve to place more tension on the side delt during the lift. With your chest up and a slight bend in your elbow, engage your side delt, then raise your arm out to the side in a controlled motion with your palm facing the floor. Continue raising your arm until it reaches shoulder height or slightly higher. Under control, slowly lower your arm back down in front of your body while keeping constant tension on the muscle. Complete all the reps on one arm, then switch arms and repeat. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.